Hello my fellow YouTubies and welcome back to your girl Bianca ChanelXO channel. What up though? Today's video is going to be my initial review on the Beauty Forever hair. So if you are interested, make sure you stay tuned and let's get into the video. But before we do, make sure you subscribe, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and also click on your post notifications so you can get notified when I upload a new video. So let's get into the video. Okay you guys, so if y'all see me looking down, it's because I'm on my phone and I'm looking at the specs of the hair. This is the Beauty Forever hair grade 8A Malaysian Jerry Curly hair weave. I got 3 bundles and it's supposed to be 100% unprocessed human hair, and I got inches 18, 20, and 22. What made me want to get the Beauty Forever hair is Amber Martin. I watch her vlogs all the time and I know that this is the hair that she uses, and her hair always be looking so cute, but she doesn't use this like specific curl. She uses like a natural wave, I think, but I wanted something similar to this wig. I do have a video review on this wig on my page. I will leave the link down below so you can check it out. This is synthetic, but let's get into the review. I ordered mine off of Amazon Prime. I did not order from Beauty Forever directly because I believe they have their own website. They have it on AliExpress and they have it on Amazon, and of course I went on Amazon because I do have Amazon Prime, honey. So they just sent it in a little Prime bag, and this is what the outside of the packaging looks like. Cute packaging. It didn't come with any type of paper or anything about the specs of the hair, so that's why I have it put up on my phone. But again, I got the deep wavy, but it's also called the Jerry curly hair. So they don't have like a care card, but they do have like instructions on the back of their box on how you take care of the hair and everything. Like I said, I got 3 bundles because I'm just doing a flip over method when I make my wig, because I am making a wig. And because at first I was going to order the option with a closure, but I just wanted to do a flip over method. I really didn't feel like doing a closure. So the first thing I see when I open the box is my 3 bundles. Again, I got the inches 18, 20, and 22. So I see some lashes. They are in Chinese, but they are cute. I would definitely wear them. They'll probably give you like you got lash and stick extensions. That's what they look like, but this is what they look like. And then it comes with my 3 bundles, and I like this curl pattern. So this is the 18-inch. So let's take this out of the bag and see what we're working with. So this is the 18-inch, and see, like, it's like almost the same curl pattern as this hair. That's why I got it, because I want something that's like, this hair is going to last me longer than a synthetic wig would. And the bundle is pretty thick, very thick. The hair, it just smells like how normal hair smells like when it comes. So this is the curl pattern, so pretty. And these are the ends. The ends are so soft, y'all. Let's see if we get some shedding. I haven't got no shedding, but I did see people say that this hair does shed. Some people said that it does shed. Not crazy, but they said that it sheds, but all hair sheds. But yes, y'all, this hair is so soft. Like, it feels so good. And it's bouncy. I like the texture of it. And it just smells like hair. It don't have a bad odor to it or anything like that. But I love this curl. It's so pretty. And Yes, y'all, it's gorgeous. I love it. It feels so good. I haven't got any shit up. I got a little bit. Hold on. We got a little bit, like 2 strands. But this is the 18. So this is gonna be like in the front. So let's look at the other bundles. Let's see what the 20. This is the 20-inch. And of course the bundle is not gonna be as thick as because we getting up in inches, so the smaller the bundle. Well, this bundle is still kind of big. So your hair wrapped around here, child. Yep, but this is the 20-inch. It's so pretty, y'all. And again, the pretty thick bundle. And the waist look A1. Like, I really don't see like any gray hairs or red fibers that you know you see in your hair sometimes. So, and this is the longest inch. This is the 22, and I'm not gonna take this out the bag because it's just kind of repetitive, but y'all get the gist of this. So again, I got this off of Amazon, and I used my Prime to get it. I'll show y'all what the page of this on looks like. The picture of the girl. This is what the picture of the girl looks like on Amazon, if you are interested in getting it from Amazon. And I paid $143.15 for just 3 bundles, which is not bad at all. And yes, y'all, I cannot wait to make my wig, and it's gonna look just like this wig. It really is, because that's the look that I'm going for, because I love big curly hair. So I cannot wait to put this hair in. You guys, I will be leaving the link to this hair directly down below, and all the specs of the hair will be down below in the description box, so make sure you check it out if you're interested in purchasing this hair. No, this hair was not sent to me. I bought this hair personally with my own money, and the purpose was to make a wig. So yes, you guys. So I'm just going to go over some of the specs of the hair. This is the 18, 20, and 22-inch. It is, the texture is jerry curl. The color is natural color. It can be dyed to light color. It says to please keep it deep conditioned, because of course it's curly hair, so you want to keep it conditioned. And the quality, they say no shedding, no tangling, no lights, full thick ends, soft, clean, and natural look. So yeah, you guys, if you are interested in this hair, make sure that you go on Amazon and check it out. I definitely will be doing another review after I install my wig and see how it wears. But for right now, I like it, and I can't wait to make my wig. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Be blessed.